Hey beautiful soul, welcome back to the channel. If you're feeling emotionally drained or spiritually weighed down, this video is for you. Today we're doing a step-by-step energetic cord cutting ritual to help you release what no longer belongs to you and call your peace back home. Let's begin. Start by sitting somewhere quiet. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Bring the person or situation to mind that you feel energetically tied to. Say softly, I acknowledge this energetic cord. I no longer consent to carrying what isn't mine. Now visualize the cord that connects you. Where is it? Your heart? Your stomach? Let your spirit show you the connection. Say, this cord has served its purpose. I am ready to let it go. Imagine holding golden scissors or a flame of divine light. With love and strength, cut the cord. Watch it dissolve. Say, I now release you. I release what you did. I release what I carried. This is no longer mine to hold. Where the cord once was, visualize light pouring in. White, golden, violet. Whatever feels healing. Say, I cleanse this space with light. Nothing unwanted may return. Only peace may remain. Now call your soul pieces home. Picture light, strength, joy, and peace rushing back into your heart. Say, I call back my energy. I call back my joy. I am whole again. I am free. Let's seal this moment with a prayer. Dear Divine Creator, thank you for walking with me through this healing. I release the person, the pain, and the past. I choose peace over pain. I allow myself to be free and whole. May love protect what's been healed. May peace remain where heaviness once lived. And so it is. Take a final deep breath. Smile gently. You did something powerful today. You are free. You are whole. You are already enough. See you in the next one.